Hey, what's up? This clip might not be suitable for anxious people who are easily startled. Why don't you watch one of my funnier clips if so?
But if you do like surprising scary tales, this one's for you. And don't forget to give us
Thumbs up!
So, you really want to know why my hair is all white? It all started when I was only 13. I played this trick on an old lady, who then cursed me, saying,
I curse you! On your 20th birthday, your hair shall turn all white, and as you turn 30, you shall go insane.
Well, and when I woke up on my 20th birthday, my hair was all white. And tomorrow I'll be 30. And...
madness.
Unleash the verbal blessing, hope it takes a verbal lesson. So kick back, chill, relax, and learn a lesson. No 9 millimeters, no heaters, and Smith & Wesson. You'll find this rhyme secure without question. This time, let's vibe with time without weapons. And move with the music in the smooth session. This time, let's vibe with time without weapons. And move with the music in the smooth session. The beats in me like sap to a tree. It's in me, the rap happens to set me free. Instantly when the mic touch this MC. Without the mic, this MC feel empty. I'm telling y'all, it's the lyrical recipe, lyrical ecstasy. Here is no less from me. I accept and expect no less than the best. And inject intellect without disrespect. Come on, be cool, just move with the groove. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Let's just do what we came to do. Just vibe with it, vibe with it. Be cool, just move with the groove. No funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Let's just do what we came to do. Just vibe with it, It's like an epidemic. Hot dog.